everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet 210 Wagon. Great car, guys. This was actually a buddy of mine's car out of Tennessee. Great car. David loved this car. Actually, the only reason he sold this car is because he's buying a piece of property down there. But great car, man. It runs and drives excellent, guys. Nice and tight. Really hits the road good. It's a little bit of an older resto, so you can nitpick some stuff on it, but still a very nice car. Small block 350 Chevy engine, 350 trans. It's got air, disc brake conversion, real pretty color combo. It's a dark navy blue metallic, and then it's got a two-tone silver and blue interior in it. You can see it's got 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrusts on it with all new rubber. Good looking car. I mean, that's just really what I would do, the way I describe it. Some, like you can see, some of the trim's original, and then some has been replaced. You can see original piece, you can see a new piece. So there's some things you can nitpick on the car, but man, very good car, very nice car. Car runs and drives excellent, nice and tight. Really hits the road good. Real pretty navy blue metallic paint on it. You can see it's got the original front glass in it, so it's got a little fade to it there. Sorry guys, you got a little, that's just a little, you guys missed it wiping it down. Car is very nice. Glass is good. It's got the tinted glass on the side. Doors open and close real nice. I like it. I love wagons. I've always loved them. I think they're fun to drive. They're definitely attention getters. They're just cool cars. So many different angles on these cars, man. It's hard to get them all. There's a little dust on there, guys. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. If you're looking for a fun driver, I think you'll really, really like this car. Yeah, sorry, just a little. Car's nice and straight down the sides. There's a couple little marks in that side trim, you can see it. I like this car a lot, man. Brand new set of American Racing torque thrusts, 18s and 20s. Disc brake conversion. Jury's gonna open us. We got a spring over here that's acting up a little bit. We've ordered a new one for it. That's good. You don't want to raise it up real far. We're gonna actually replace both of them. Again, 350 Chevy. It's power steering. You can see it's got the double hump heads. It does have air. Air works. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD 6AL ignition box in it. 350 trans. like I say, we'll make sure that those get replaced. You can just go ahead and just set that down for now, Eddie. Open it back up when we fire it up. Don't worry about closing it all the way. Little mark there in the front windshield. Wipers do not work. They're vacuum operated in 57. They do make an electric conversion kit if that's something you're interested in. Door handles are pretty nice. Then that glass is nice. It's a pretty two-tone blue and silver metallic. New carpet, new sill plates. Lecarra steering wheel. It's got the factory dash in it. Headliner's really nice. Now this is all brand new. It's showing 94 miles. There's actually a couple thousand miles on this car since it's been restored. But they rebuilt the speedo and everything, so that's all functional. Fuel gauge does work. They've got some aftermarket gauges under there. The only thing else I couldn't get to work was the radio. Sometimes that's just me, guys. I'm not a radio guy. The blower motor works. Like I say, the air blows nice and cold. Of course, it's got the fold down rear seat there. Super cool car. Dual exhaust, factory rear, no big gear or anything. You can see how clean this thing is in here. Go ahead, George, I'll have you go ahead and shut that. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car. It's nice and clean. Something on the board there. Seats are all really nice. Little rubber piece popped off there. We'll make sure that gets back on. Yeah, this is a cool car, and like I say, very impressive with the way it drove. Steering wheel's all brand new. I have Jordy fire it up here. Get that door handle a little there. Again, the glass is really nice. Good, everything good. Put your air on, Jordy. Air does blow cold. Give it a little rev. Go ahead and shut it down already. Then we'll make sure that that gets fixed. Again, fuel gauge works, all your other gauges are down there, they all work. I know the little turn signal indicators in the dash and everything work. It's just a good car. Again, your gauges here are all functional. The only thing we have to check is that radio. Like I say, the blower motor does work. No on the wipers. Like I say, they're original vacuum. Oh, we got a headlight on. Is your brake switch? Check that. Might just be on the switch. LED front turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. It's also great to keep in touch with us through our Instagram page, through our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way, guys. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good-looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.